Hi, this is Carrie Legow. I'm one of the Autism Low Incidence Mentor Teachers with Richmond Public Schools. I'm here again today to do a lesson with you from the Unique Learning System program. It is May lesson number 11, and we're going to talk about letters and letter sounds. So the letters that we're going to go over today are, if you have a communication device, you can get your communication device and find these letters on there as well, or you can repeat after me as I say the letter. The first letter is a vowel, and it's the letter E. There's the big E and the little e. Uppercase, lowercase. The next letter is another vowel, and it's a U. The big U and the little u. The next letter is X. Uppercase X, lowercase x. And we have V, big V, little v. Then we have Y. Uppercase Y, lowercase y. Next letter is Z. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Big Z, little z. Okay. Then J. Big J, little j. And Q. That's the big Q and the little q. And then we're going to talk about two letters that we put together, T and H. TH. Okay, so let's listen to the letters again and hear the sounds that they make. Here we go. All right, the first letter is the letter E. The letter E has a short vowel sound of eh or a long vowel sound that says its name, E. Let's listen.
E, 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 E.
The next letter was U. Let's listen to the sound it makes.
U, U.
It says its name, U. U for the long vowel sound, and the short vowel sound of U is uh. You can repeat after me or find it on your device. U, or U.
U, U.
Okay. The next letter says its name as well and has a sound of x, x. Move it up a little bit so you can see it.
X, 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 X.
Okay. You can say these sounds with me. All right. The next letter is V. V. V says
V, V.
V. Kind of put your teeth together and go V.
V, V.
All right, the next letter is Y. Here's my Y's. Let's hear what it says.
Y, Ye.
Y, ye,
Y, Ye.
ye. And the next letter is Z. Let's listen to the sound.
Z, Z.
Z says zzz.
Z, Z.
Z says zzz. The next letter is J. J, big J, little j. Let's hear what it says.
J, J,
J says J.
J, J.
The next letter we talked about was Q. Let's see what the sound Q makes.
Q, Qu,
Qu, qu, Q, qu,
Q, Qu.
qu. And the two letters that we put together, T and H, say
TH, TH.
nice job. So now we're going to look at some words that start and end with the letters that we just talked about. Okay, so the first words with the letter E. Eat, eagle, and equal. Eat, eagle, and equal. All say the letter E in them.
Eat, eagle, equal.
Equal. All right. The next letter is U. Here's the letter U. And the words are use, unicorn, and uniform. Let's listen and listen for the letter U in there.
Use, uniform, unicorn.
Use, uniform, and unicorn. Okay. The next letters is X. And X, you can hear it at the beginning of the letter or the beginning of the word and at the end of the word for Xbox, box, and fox. Let's listen.
Xbox, box, fox.
Xbox, box, and fox. All right, the next letter is V for vest, violin, and vine. V, V. Listen for the V. Here we go. Say it after they say it.
Vest,
Vest,
vine,
vine,
violin.
violin. All right. The next letter is a Y. Here's the Y for yawn, yard, yawn, yard, and yellow. Let's listen for the y sound.
Yawn, yard, yellow.
All right, and the next letter is Z for zoo, zebra, and zipper. All right, let's listen for the Z sound.
Zoo, zebra, zipper.
All right. The next letter is a J. Right there's the J for jug, juice, and jeans. Let's listen for the j sound.
Jug, juice,
And
jeans.
jeans. All right, the next letter is a Q. There's the Q for quail, which is a type of bird, quarter, and quiz. Let's listen for the Q sound.
Quail, quiz, quarter.
Qu, qu sound. All right, and the last two letters that we put together are the TH that makes the sound for thumb, thunder, and thermometer. Let's listen for the TH sound. Here we go.
thumb,
Thumb,
thunder,
thunder,
thermometer,
thermometer. All right. So now we are going to move on to find some other words. Whoops. All right, so we have the letter E. Remember, the letter E can say E, like eel.
e, e, eel,
So now we have to find some pictures over here that sounds like E, that have E in it. Here we go. All right, if we look in this line right here, you can point to it, the picture that has the letter E in it, point to it. E for eat.
eat,
Let's find another E word. Look in this row right here. Jug, box, or eagle. Point to it. If you pointed to eagle, you are correct. All right. Now look all the way down here. Can you find the word with the E in it? Point to it. If you pointed to equal, you are correct. So E for eel, eat, eagle, and equal. All right, now we're going to talk about the letter U. The U says U for ukulele.
u, ukulele,
All right, let's find the words with U in it. You look in this row, find the word that has a U in it. Point to it. If you pointed to use, you are correct.
use,
All right, if you look in this row, find a word that has U in it. Point to it. If you pointed to uniform, oops, uniform, you are correct.
uniform,
All right. And last row, which one has a U in it? U for unicorn. There we go. So U, ukulele, use, uniform, unicorn.
u, ukulele, use, uniform, unicorn,
All right. Here's our X. X says X. Let's find some words with X. They can be at the beginning of the word or the end of the word. Okay? So, if you look up here, can you find the word that has the X at the beginning and end of the word? If you pointed to Xbox, you are correct. In this row, the X is at the end of the word. So this is the beginning of the word. This is the end of the word. Which one has the X at the end of the word? Point to it. If you pointed to box, you are correct. All right. And let's look at this row. Which word has the X at the end of it, like box? Point to it. If you pointed to fox, you are correct. X.
X. X-ray.
X-ray.
Xbox.
Xbox.
Box.
Fox.
Fox.
And fox. All right, now we have the letter V for van.
V. V. Van.
All right, let's find some words that start with the letter V. If you look in this row, find the word that starts with V. Point to it. If you pointed to vest, you are correct. All right. Now I'm going to let you look at all these words and you find a word that starts with V. There's actually 2 words that start with V. Point to it. If you pointed to violin and vine, you are correct. So we have
V. V. Van. Vest. Violin. Vine.
vine. All right, that's our V words. And now we have Y. Y for yo-yo.
Y. Ye.
Yee.
Yo-yo.
All right, let's find some words with Y. You look in this row, find a word with Y. Y for yellow. You pointed to yellow, you are correct. All right, if you found a word that starts with Y here, point to it. Yard. If you pointed to the yard, you are correct. Yard is outside like your grass. The grass outside of your house is your yard. All right. And if in this row, there's one more word that starts with Y. Yeah. Point to it. Yeah. Yawn. All right.
Y. Ye. Yo-yo. Yellow. Yard. Yuan.
All right. Let's see what's next. And we have Z. Z for zero.
Z. Z. Zero.
Let's see what letters start with Z. In this row, point to the letter that starts with Z. Z. Point to it. Z for zoo. All right. Next row, point to the word that has a Z in it. Z for zebra. Next row, down here, all the way at the bottom, which one has a Z in it? Z, Z, Z for, point to it, zipper. Okay, so here we go.
Z. Z. Zero. Zoo. Zebra. Zipper.
All right. And the letter J. Jar.
J. J. Jar.
All right, let's find the words that have a J. Look at this row. Find the word that has a J. Point to it. J. You pointed to jug. You are correct. J, jug.
Jug.
All right. Look in this row right here. Which word has the J in it? J. Point to it. J for jeans. All right, and then in this row right here, there's one more word that starts with J. J, j. You pointed to juice. You are correct. We all love to drink juice.
J. J. Jar. Jug. Jeans. Juice.
All right. And we have Q for queen.
Q. Qu. Queen.
All right. Here we go. Let's find a word that starts with Q in this row right here. Find the Q. Point to it. You're looking for the little Q. Q for quiz. Okay, let's look for the Q in this row. Qu says Q. Q for quarter. And one more in this row. It's a type of bird. Who can find the bird in this row? Point to it. Qu. Quail.
Q. Qu. Queen. Quiz. Quarter. Quail.
All start with Q. All right, and our last two letters that go together, T and H. Say, let's listen.
TH.
Or
Think.
think. All right, now we have to find the TH words. Which word has a T and an H in it in this row? Point to it. If you pointed to thumb, you are correct. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. All right. Find the TH word in this row. Th. Point to it. Th. Thunder. Nice job. All right. One more TH word is in this row. If you can find it, point to it. Thermometer. Excellent job.
TH. Think.
Think.
Thumb.
Thumb.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Thermometer.
Thermometer. All right. So now we're going to clap out a couple words so we can listen to how many parts the word has. Okay? So the first word is eat. I'm going to type it in here for you. E-A-T. Eat.
Listen to the word.
Eat.
Clap the parts. How many parts are in this word?
Ready? Let's clap. Eat. Eat. How many claps? Eat. 1, 2, or 3. Point to it. Eat has one part.
One.
one part in it. Eat. Okay, I'm going to do another word. Zipper. Okay, zipper. Zipper. How many claps did I make? Zipper. Clap with me. Zipper. 1, 2, or 3 claps.
2,
2 claps. All right, one more word. Unicorn. Unicorn. Let's clap it. Unicorn. Unicorn. How many claps? Unicorn. Point to it. 3 claps.
3.
Nice job. All right, guys. Thanks so much for doing this lesson with me and going through all the letters and the letter sounds and then finding the words that had the letters in them that made the sounds. You did an awesome job. Until next time, bye-bye for now.